Now, this is actually very smart and it can help you a lot. You know, when you use your Instagram profile, if you're gonna see the stories from your close friends, and vice versa, are gonna appear more to the front, right? More to the front on your home feed means more engagement, right? More people are gonna see that. So, this is why this is so smart. These people on GramLab, what they did, well, it's a little hack. They automated all of your friends going to your close friends. Isn't that beautiful? But here's the catch. They do it smartly because they're not doing it aggressively. What that means? Well, it means it's safe. And because Instagram prioritizes stories shared with close friends, your stories get 5 to 10 times more views. But this is, of course, going to depend on your niche. More about that later on. And what is more important is that followers added to your close friends list, well, they feel privileged. You know how people are. They feel more connected to your brand if they see you added them on close friends. Now, to get those people, all of your followers inside of your close friends list, it would take a gazillion years, right? So, follow me on this one. You head over to the gramlab.io. There's a link down there in the description. You click here on Get Started for Free. You make yourself an account here. And when you make yourself an account, all you gotta do is to install this Chrome extension. Little disclaimer here because I know how people think. They don't ask for passwords. Chrome extension. This is all you need. You just have to click on Add to Chrome. You go to your extension, and here's my account. You click on Sync button here. Now, it's automated process. It's just gonna sync your account with the GramLab extension. Now you're going to get redirected to the dashboard, to the app of GramLab, to your account. And firstly, what you get to see for free is this free test. So you can watch as they process followers in real time. They're going to take some of your followers, and all you got to do is to click on Start Free Test button, which is located here, and then you just have to wait it out. Now, as I've told you before, this is really important. They replicate human action, right? They don't do it aggressively. They don't do it fast. And that's what's important for the safety of your account. And by the way, a lot of these celebs, they do it as well. So, yeah, why shouldn't we? And this is the result. Close friends. All of my followers, all 1K followers that I have on this account, have been added to my close friends list. So, what do you have to do now? Click on that Boost My Account button, and they will retrieve all your followers. It's just a breeze, honestly. Now, what is important here is that you don't be aggressive as well, because when you have all these close friends, you don't want to overdo it. The reach is just going to get lower if you make a spam out of it. So don't spam. One per week is totally fine. Save that for your most important things, for CTAs, for some special offers, some special occasions. One per week is going to be enough. I mean, one per week to your close friend stories. You're going to see this in real time. As you can see, we've already added 31 close friends for you, saving you about 12 minutes. And of course, they're just going to do it in the background. You don't have to do nothing at all. All you have to do from now, well, just wait it out and then just start planning your close friend stories. Later on, you can follow all the analytics that you might need here. You can add more accounts with this button here. And here's a place to switch your organizations. Now, as you can see, it splits up. It did 500 on my followers and then taking a small break. That's what I was telling you about. This is smart because it's safer for us, right? To not be, suspicious of something. This is really good, and it's going to go back to work in 7 minutes. On the history button here, you can see what's done. And of course, when it's done, you're going to be ready for posting those stories. And yeah, you're just going to get more reach, meaning more engagement. And Instagram loves engagement. And of course, we all know what that means. More money, whatever you do on Instagram. And this is how it's going to look like when the experiment, as they call it, is successful when it's done. So they add all your followers. And as you can see, it took 49 minutes. Once again, it's for your own safety. And now you can start your campaigns. One more thing. You can get yourself some followers, but they're going to add 25,000 followers per day just to keep that safety switch on. Once again, here you can choose the amount, and of course, the price is going to be shown to you, but the more followers you have, the lower the price per 1K followers added. One more thing. This is perfect for people who use ManyChat. If you pair these two, well, it's a goldmine. Link is down there. Click on it, use it, enjoy. It's a breeze and it's very smart. Wish you good luck. I'll catch you next time.